Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using Deep UK products. But before we start, I just want to quickly mention that I do have a discount code on Deep UK website. So if you use Grace20, you will get 20% discount off your total purchases. So I will be putting all the information down in the description box below. So now into the video. So today I will be using 3 powders from Deep UK. And here are the close-up looks. So the first one is in the shade Ballerina, and this is a beautiful pale pink shade with silver mica. Next is in the shade Bliss, and this shade is so pretty. I love this shade. This is a nude color with some mica. And lastly, the shade Icicle, and this is one of their newest powder on their website. And also in this video, I will be doing my first impression review of their new liquids. So here is the close-up look of their liquid. So first impression, I really like it. The packaging is really nice and it's a glass bottle, and also it contains 15 ml, so it's really good. So here I have the step number 1 base coat, step number 2 activator, step number 3 top coat, and lastly step number 4 brush saver. So to start off, I will be applying nail dehydrator on all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. So then next, I move on to my UNT peel-off base, and I will be applying this on all of my nails. This will just allow me for easy pop-off removal of my manicure. But obviously, you don't need to apply this on your nails if you want your manicure to last. So the next, I move on to my deep powder application. So I apply a thin layer of the base on my nail, and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then tap off the excess. So first, I will be applying 1 layer of clear on all of my nails. So once I'm finished with my clear, I brush up all the excess powder, and then I move on to my colored powders. So first, I will be applying the shade Bliss on my pointy and pinky nail, and I will be applying 2 coats of this shade. So once I'm finished with the shade Bliss, I brush up all the excess powder, and then I move on to the next shade, which is the Ballerina, and I will be applying this shade on my ring and thumb. And again, I will be applying 2 coats of this shade. And I just want to quickly mention that my first impression with their liquids is really good. I really like it. I like that the brush is a lot shorter compared to the old one, because I think that shorter brush is a lot easier to use compared to the long one. And also, I noticed that the consistency of their liquids is the same as the old one, which I really like. So all in all, I highly recommend you should check out their new liquids. I think it's easier to use compared to the old one. So now I'm moving on to my last shade, which is the Icicle, and I will be applying it on my middle nail, and again I will be applying 2 coats of this shade. So once I'm finished with all my colored powders, I went back with my clear to encapsulate my nails. This step is optional, but I highly recommend you do this to protect your colors underneath from filing and buffing. So once I'm finished encapsulating my nails, I brush up all the excess powder, and then I move on to my activator. So I will be applying generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. So after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera, and then I apply another layer of activator on all of my nails. So then after about 2 minutes, I wipe my nails with lint-free wipes just to make sure that there's no excess activator on my nails. So then next, I move on to my step number 3, which is top coat, and I will be applying 2 coats of this on all of my nails. If you've been watching my video for a while, you guys know that I always use my gel top coat, but I thought I should try their new deep powder top coat and show you guys what it looks like. So here's what my nails looks like after 2 coats. So now I will be applying a cuticle oil, and we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.